Anthony Ford with Kong Armor, lifetime deck armor, the world's toughest deck armor. I'm up here in Westchester, Ohio, and I'm going to show you guys this beautiful deck system that we just got done encapsulating. I'm tickled to death. It's really beautiful. This is a deck that just a few days ago had peeling paint. I'm going to take you around the outside of it first. But this deck system, it had peeling paint, it had a few rotten boards, it had extreme sun damage, extreme weathering, thousands of cracks, thousands of hairlines, frayed wood, splinters, all that stuff, right? And we brought the Kong Armor lifetime deck armor system in here. The thick build, the high build, the ultra tough, and simply by pairing it with just regular crew style deck restoration and repair and cleaning, just look at what we've accomplished. My goodness, you're talking about just a gorgeous deck system, right? No more peeling deck paint, all locked down and encapsulated by the world's toughest deck armor, Kong Armor. We came in, washed everything up. I got them all brand new cap rails through here, I believe, or some of them are new anyways. Came in here, pulled any or at all of the bad planks that were in here. So any of them that were rotten, any of them that were expired, we pulled them and replaced them with our air dried, pressure treated. We set down nails, loose screws, performed general deck maintenance, and then we brought the Kong system in and we performed what we call lockdown encapsulation, and we just engulfed all the peeling paint that was on this structure. There's nothing of it left. No sanding, no chemical peels, none of that stuff. Everything that you guys see here was done in 2 visits. We did it all in 2 visits. Now, that's a big deal, because most of the time, what you guys in Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky are dealing with when you guys go through a deck refinishing process like this, you guys are dealing with people in your yards for 4, 5, 6 days, showing up, not coming back for 3 or 4 days. This is when you hire Kong Armor to restore and encapsulate your deck in our lifetime deck armor system, it's boom bam. It's a totally different experience than what you guys are used to. It's first in class across the board, right? Man, I am about how beautiful this deck system has turned out. I mean, it is just absolutely stunning. I want to draw your attention to the true water lock, what we call the true water lock ability of Kong. All nail and screw holes encapsulated and closed off. No cracks, no hairlines, nothing. There's no openings whatsoever for water to enter this floor or anywhere on this deck system, really. That's a big deal, because the deck rescue painters of Kong Armor, we press into those cracks, we press into those nails and those screw heads until we get complete encapsulation, complete lockdown, true water lock. Man, oh man, is it beautiful. UV deflection here, what we call UV block in Kong. It has thousands of little tiny microscopic miracle like particles throughout the film. The rays will come down and hit this, deflect, and they'll go back up into the atmosphere where they belong. True splinter lock. The kids can come out here and touch the deck system. Before, this was all frayed and chewed up, and now it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. There's no way for you to run your hands across any of this. Look how beautiful. And get splinters. Now, these posts have big, large checking in them. We took silverback epoxy, the world's toughest deck post crack filler, and we filled all that in and we knifed it over flat, and now we got these really beautiful synthetic looking posts, right? Just gorgeous. Some of you may be seeing a little bit of marks on the black spindles. Disregard that. That was all here before we got here. That's the previous red coating that you're seeing on there, and the owner knows about it. They know it was there before we got here, right? Just gorgeous, just unbelievable. Now remember, this is not all that they got from Kong. They saved their deck. They avoided tear down to frame replacement with composite, saved it from peeling deck paint and all that. But guess what? We're going to stay with them now for life. Lifetime service promise, lifetime limited warranty, so they don't ever have to completely paint, stain, or resurface this deck system again. Kong is lifetime deck armor, right? If you want to learn more, you live in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, go to kongarmor.com and sign up for a free quotation. Anthony Ford from Westchester, Ohio. We'll see y'all later.